Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Say happy Sunday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And without wasting your time, let's get to start today. Honestly speaking, I don't think there's any housemate who wants to be Thandeka, guys, right now. With Thandeka won't catch a break. Every day she's being dragged, guys. We need to be honest when it comes to Thandeka. Some of the things that are happening right now, it is her fault. If you've been following Thandeka, guys, every time she goes live on TikTok, when people, especially the Italians, they will ask Thandeka, can you please start a YouTube channel? Can you do photo shoot? She will agree and say, guys, I'm working on it. Don't worry, tomorrow I'm gonna post. You promise things knowing very exactly you're not gonna deliver, guys. First of all, the Italians, they've done well for you, guys. They've been there for you. The only thing that you can do is to meet them there halfway. If you wanted a peaceful life, you should have not accepted those gifts and money. You are busy accepting gifts, but you're not delivering anything, guys. I don't blame the Italians. I do understand that a person needs to have a private life. She needs to do whatever she's doing, but at least meet your fans halfway, guys. One thing with the Italians, they will be there for Thandeka, guys. Every day they make sure with Thandeka she's trending. They make sure with it they tag brands, but it seems like with Thandeka, guys, she doesn't care about that, guys. So today she posted a video, guys, also many pictures, guys. Uluyanda invited Thandeka to a cruise, and people were not happy with dressing code Thandeka, guys. But today's dressing code, I'm gonna say, guys, let's be fair, I feel like today she's done well for herself. At least she's trying, guys, but she needs to work on herself, honestly speaking, when it comes to Thandeka, guys. People have a lot of expectation. I've seen Nigerian, especially Nigerian guys, they will go to Twitter and open a space and drag with Thandeka. Some of them, they will go to TikTok and open lives and drag it. I understand their frustration, guys. Imagine you love someone and you are trying so hard to help this person to build their brand, so they are just sitting there doing nothing. They are following Meli. When it comes to Meli, let's all be honest, guys. Meli, guys, he's making sure even when he goes outside, he's dressed well. He's meeting the social media standard. If you go to Meli's YouTube channel, guys, I don't really watch men's YouTube channel, but guys, when it comes to Meli, every video that Meli he's posting, I'm always there watch. You can enjoy his video, guys. So if he really wants to see Thandeka doing so well outside, he was going to give her some advice. There are things that you're not allowed to say. This is how you dress, this is how you talk to people. So guys, speaking, Thandeka, she's destroying her brand, guys. Even though there are others Italians who say they don't have a problem, but from the first place you should have said, guys, give me time, I'm still working on myself, I need time alone. You should have not promised things that you're not going to deliver, guys. So people are currently dragging Thandeka, guys. So when it comes to her GoFundMe update, it's currently sitting on 368,000 rand, guys. Remember, they want to get her to 2 million rand. I don't know, some people are saying they want their money back. It's a lot that is going on lapana with Italians, guys. Thandeka, she needs to be honest. If she really wants this fame, she wants to be work with friends, or she wants her peaceful life to be private, you need to decide. Like Mac Jr., guys, I've never seen Mac Jr. after winning that 2 million rand, he decided to disappear. So it's simple, you decide this is the life that you want or not. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.